Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me again today. This week at Challenge Night we had another large group of people. We had 15 people show up. I'm really excited to see so many people keep showing up. It really feels like the beginning of Challenge Night when we used to have like consistently large groups. And I really hope it keeps up because it just makes the whole night much more fun. Not a whole lot of like crazy race rules this time. We just had a really fun, unique course. It was very challenging to figure out. We've done it a couple times before, but it's a course that like really changes depending on how your kart itself is reacting. So it's really fun to try to adapt and try to figure out how to get it to be as fast as you possibly can around the course. The one theme for every single race was, can you survive turn one? And if you could not, that spelled disaster for you most likely. And it was not an easy thing to survive, as you will see during some of the races. So I'm going to keep it short this time. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button below. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Look at that. We're doing a good roll and start. This is good. Hey, good job. This is good. This is good. This is good. Good. Let's go. Oh. Everybody died immediately on the first turn.
2 seconds later.
Oh, sorry, Joe. This thing does not want to turn left to save its life. Oh, it does not have a high top speed either. Yep, I feel it back there, Drew. I feel you. I feel you, bud. Yeah, he's pulling me in straight away, so that's probably not good for top speed, huh? We're gonna have to stay to the inside, probably. Yeah, that's horrible. Yep, this is lacking speed. He is right on my butt. Yep. Oh. Oh. Well, now can I stay away from Joe so I can get second at least? It's catching me. It's a little slow though. I'm keeping up in the curves at least. I'm doing that part pretty good. He's not really gaining much on me, even though he's got the straightaway speed. But like, this is where he starts pulling away, and Joe catches up to me, so that's fine. It gives me hopes that my line is fine. Oh, we got some traffic involved. Might be able to snipe something here. Alright, no sniping. We got through that pretty cleanly, to be honest. Yeah, it's funny, the car just pulls away. Cool. I'll take second. This is going to be interesting to see if we can survive the beginning. Yep, you don't got to hit me. It's okay. We're not going anywhere. Okay, we survived. I know I kind of cut your nose off there, but I felt like I had room. I felt like I had enough space. I know I had enough space. All right, we somehow survived that start. It was a little hairy, but we did it. I'm still not sure I'm doing that part entirely correct. Boy, I really caught you on quick on those curves. And the old in and out. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Well, this should be, I'm going to presume it's going to be not very, not a lot of things are going to happen unless I really mess up, because I am a little far ahead. Da, 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 da. I'm like, am I supposed to be full throttle going from the slick part to the grippy part? Probably, right? Why am I taking my foot off instinctually? Yeah, I don't know why I'm taking my foot off. I mean, there was like a little bit of like tire squeal there, but like, not like a whole ton. I think it's because I instinctually do it the other way, like going from grippy to smooth. So like, just need to be smooth coming out of it. I feel like I'm not carrying my speed well. I feel like all these turns, like I just feel the G-forces pull me in one direction and I lose speed. Oh, that was better. That was way better. there's a gaggle of 4 people over there. They're having a good race. They're having a good old time. Meanwhile, my shirt's coming up. That's what I'm trying to... That's where my brain power is going. Is trying to keep her from going over the seatbelt. So a lot of tough decision making going on for me right now with my shirt. My thumb hurts also, that's not good. I think my thumb tendonitis is going to come back after tonight. Let's go! Okay, that was me. All right.
Who else would be in this cart?
Him?
I mean, that's true.
Good, let's go! Okay, good, we survived! Oh my god, this car doesn't want to turn. Are we on low speed? What's happening? Oh.
2 seconds later.
Alright, we're back. And we're back. Oh boy, it's so slippery. Oh, it's so slippery, oh my god. Oh man, it's just making the tires so slippery. We need to gear up over here. Oh, this thing doesn't want to turn left either. Oh, so wide, I'm making so many mistakes. Ooh, Drew's in a battle back there. He is in a battle. Yep, still pretty slidey. But that felt pretty good though. I think I'm gaining ground a little bit. I feel like I'm actually driving this car pretty well for like the things I notice, which is basically, that's very generic, but I mean like it's sliding, it like understeering, like, and that's part of rental carts though, you know, you have to adapt to what you get and you try to make it as fast as you can with what you have. Sometimes it's good enough, sometimes it's not good enough. But I feel like right now I am wheeling it pretty well. So that's good. Yeah, definitely since I made the adjustment to just like full power through the slippy to the grippy section, it's improved, and like aiming slightly towards the wall so that you're not losing, like you want to have the cart straight at that section so that you're not like sliding at all and you're getting maximum, you know, acceleration purposes there. Acceleration purposes? That's not a phrase that anyone says. I don't know why I said that. Oh, there goes Missy. Now we're going to pull you back on the straightaway. There we go, seats back. Yeah, we got so much grip now. The slipperiness is gone. We are back to, I think, normal racing line. I don't have to be as ginger as I was before. I probably could have started maybe a lap or two ago. Yeah. Oh, there goes the seat again. Okay. That's okay. We have a strat to pull it back up. Here we go. Man, how many laps are in this race? I feel like I'm going for a while. Oh, yeah. I'm really feeling it. Now, I'm still a little slidey through these corners. A little understeery, but not too bad. Oh, man, I'm feeling so good right there. Everything feels great. I feel like I'm adjusting to the little characteristics of the car. I know I mentioned that before, but I'm just happy that it's happening. I'm happy that I can execute. Oh man, that one felt so good. Let's go!